Hello, it's Mateo again with Metz and Mateo, and Metz is behind the camera. Hello, Metz. And our first event this year is going to be at the Magical Realm at the Eaton County Fairgrounds here in Michigan. It is a nonprofit event that raises money for various things in the Michigan community. Some of them are with the Renaissance Fair, and some of it is just the community where they're based, which is somewhere near Charlotte, Michigan, I believe. There's going to be a link in the comment section so you can go to their website and check out who they are and what they're doing, but it's a good cause. This is going to be our first sort of Ren Fair type event. It's going to be on June 3rd and the 4th, so it's the first weekend of June, Saturday and Sunday. And because it is a nonprofit event, we are donating an item to them for their volunteers, I believe. And we love to put images of things on totes, as well as t-shirts and phones. Here's a t-shirt. This is one of my favorites, Shasta Daisy. And this is actually my phone cases, both for Samsung and iPhone. We decided to do a special tote of the Shasta Daisy with our logo on the back just for them. And ooh, beautiful blue. You can order all these totes and t-shirts and so forth on metzandmateo.com. The totes can come in a variety of handles that you can choose, either black, red, or yellow. We decided the basic black for this one. And then our beautiful dragonfly logo on the back. So that is our donation item for this event. And we also, the wind likes to blow things. Oh, I forgot. We will be at the first ever Three Rivers Pride event here in Three Rivers, Michigan, and we have some totes for that as well that I bought as part of this order. So the totes come in two sizes. This is the large, which has, got to show you this, pocket inside. Great for the beach, yoga, taking to the gym, shopping. And then we have a small tote, which does not have a pocket inside. Our little logo on the back. This is the Bisexual Pride. Turning again. Here we go. This is the Bisexual Pride flag that we turned into a nice little tote. And then what else do we have? I think this is the Progress Pride flag, if I remember correctly. This is the large tote with the red handle. I believe this tote, the Pride totes that we're doing, I have 7 different Pride totes available online. Those will come with just one handle depending on the style. Now the Pride, this is the Pride Progress flag. So the original Pride flag was designed in like 1978, and it had, well, let's see, I think 8 stripes on it. And that original Pride flag, there was pink and teal in addition to these 6 colors you can see on the back. The pink got dropped almost immediately because it was not a common color for flag material. And then the teal also got dropped because then there would be 6 colors and it was just easier to use it to display. And then, let's see, this is 2000, I can't remember when this was made. The Progress Pride flag is an updated version of that to add in the colors for the Black and Latina communities and the transgender colors. So we're trying to be even more inclusive than the original rainbow. But the pink color that got dropped, we decided to make the pocket on the inside that color. Sort of as a symbolic gesture to how people in the queer community, LGBTQ+, were sort of dropped out of society and pushed to the side. So this is kind of a remembrance of that color, and the reason that that was dropped was because it wasn't common. But anyways, Pride is June 24th here in Three Rivers, Michigan. We will have a booth there as well. And again, you can purchase any of these on our website right now, metsamateo.com.